Did you download 150GB Stalker 2 on Xbox Game Pass only to launch it and find out it just does not run? Or is the game crashing in the first 10 minutes or so when you're playing? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix these errors. There are 4 different methods and try not to skip any steps. Okay, method number 1 is to repair or reset the game. The first thing you want to do is to go here, go into settings. Go into apps on the left hand side, you'll see installed apps. Here you'll see Stalker 2, Heart of Chernobyl. Click on the 3 dots here, click on advanced options, and click on repair and reset. And this will be the first thing you should do. This will fix many common issues with the game. The next thing you want to do is exclude it from Windows Antivirus. It's very easy, so open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. And here you want to go to Virus and Threat Protection settings. Scroll down and say add or remove inclusions, and you say add an inclusion, you say folder. Now what you do to find this folder is to go to Xbox Game Pass or whatever service you're using. Right click on Chernobyl, Stalker 2, manage, files, browse, and you'll see it here. And you want to copy and paste this file path, and then go back, say add exclusion, say folder, click here, copy and paste it. That is good. Select content, and you have just added an exclusion. Alternatively, you can just click on this button here, although of course I don't recommend it, but if it's crashing, well then I would recommend at least giving it a try. The next option is to open the Xbox game app or whatever version you're running and run the game as an administrator. So how do you do that? You click on manage, you click on files, you click on browse, or you can just click on create desktop shortcut. Let's try that this time actually. And I don't have desktop shortcuts enabled, but that is fine. Go to desktop here, you should see it, Heart of Chernobyl, and you want to right click and say run as administrator. Okay, now method 4 is to verify and repair the game files. On Steam this is very easy to do. I don't have it running on Steam, but if you do, go to properties, go to installed files and click on verify integrity of software files. On Xbox game app, you right click on it, say manage, say files, and click on verify and repair. Now if you've done all of the things up until now and it still hasn't worked, what you're going to want to have to do is open PowerShell. So I'm going to put these this into the video description below, but go to search, go to PowerShell, right click on this and say run as administrator, say yes. This will come up, and for this, copy and paste number 1 here, git app x package from Microsoft.Gaming Services. That is fine. After you've done that, copy and paste the second one. It will open up this. I have it installed, but it's fine. I don't need to install it again. And after you've done this, you'll need to reboot your Xbox Game Pass. So let me do that now. Now, what you're doing is installing basically an extension into Xbox Game Pass that allows you to verify and fix files. So after you've done this, what you want to do is go to your profile on the left hand side, go to support, and this will come up, Gaming Services Repair Tool. Click on this, and this will basically repair every single game that you have installed on Xbox Game Pass. This will take a couple of minutes, but once it's done, reboot Xbox Game Pass and see if it works. And that is it. If any of these have worked for you, please leave the video a like. If none of these have worked for you, please leave the video a comment and I'll do my best to get back